Hey guys, it's Mick here again. I've got another video for you today. I'll be pulling apart some dead laptop batteries. A lot of people don't know they're made up of multiple 3.8 volt lithium cells, and they're usually used in other items such as power banks and head torches, things like that. I usually make DIY power banks out of them. I buy a little kit off eBay. They're less than $5. I'll drop a link in the description below, and I'll pop one of them together at the end of the video. If you stick around to the end, you'll be able to see that. I've sped the video up just to save all the boring bits, and all I'd ask is if you could like and subscribe. That'd be freaking awesome. Alright, let's jump into it.